Alright, what's up? I'm Ayan. Today I will show you how to properly install VirtualBox and also how to install that extra extensions that are used to run VirtualBox. For this we are going to this website virtualbox.org. I will provide the link in the description so you can get it for yourself. And here we can see the download VirtualBox button. Here you can see the version of VirtualBox 7.0.16 is crashing a lot on many devices. So how are we going to fix it? So to fix it, we do not need to open this one. This is the 7.0.16 version, but we are going to download an older version of VirtualBox, and when this version gets fixed, we can download the latest version and upgrade the previously installed version. For this, we are going to scroll down, and here you will find something like VirtualBox older builds. Click on the link, and here you will find the old versions. So we are going to download the 7 version. Here you can see this is the .0.14 version and not the 16 version, which means this one is perfectly fine. So we're going to download the 7.0.14 version. If you are facing any issues with the 17.0.16 version, download the 14 version and then you will be good to go. So here we need to download the extension pack. Simply download this extension pack. It works with every version of the VirtualBox. You do not have to go and find the .14 version. This will work. Now let's wait for the downloading to complete and then we will get ahead and start installing the VirtualBox. For this, if you are coming from the 16 version which was crashing, simply just install the previous version and download and install this version. You might have to consider making your own virtual machines again. So there's that. So we are gonna go and say yes to this because this happens a lot. Okay, we're gonna say yes to that and simply install it in the default location. For now, I'm gonna show you if it is not gonna go crashing all over again. So the new update is always crashing, so we're gonna download the older version like I did right now. And this is how you can fix your VirtualBox machines which were not working previously by simply downloading and installing the older version. So next up, we need to open up the extension pack and hit install. You do not have to read it, simply scroll and just say agree. But if you want to read it, go ahead. Nobody reads documentation, you know. Okay, after this, go to your start menu and also you will find the VirtualBox in your desktop. So now this is how you can see VirtualBox is now running. Let me full screen it. And VirtualBox is now running. If you want to change some settings, simply change settings. If you are using a previous version, you can do that. You can check for updates, but I will not recommend updating right just now, because if you upgrade it, it will upgrade to .16 version and the 16 version is always crashing for now. And this is how you change some settings. If you want to mess with some settings, you can do it on your own. You can import your previous virtual machines which you created earlier and they might work here, and also they won't crash anymore. If you're downgrading this system, you can simply hit add and add that previous machine that you created in your desired folder. If you want to start over, simply hit new and create your new virtual machine, just like that. You can use a lot of operating systems in here and use it as another operating system for your desktop. Anyway, that's been it. Thanks for watching. I will catch you in the next one. Take care. Goodbye.